In this video, we would like to show you the Walk-Behind Greens mower, the product that Baroness rolls out with pride and receives the most praise by superintendents worldwide. Greens are the face of a golf course. That's why the greens mower's work is important. Baroness has invested all its energy to develop a walk-behind greens mower without compromises. In addition to a globally recognized sharp reel cutter and bed knife, the Baroness walk-behind greens mower comes with multiple features, such as the durable all-gear drive, to help create ideal greens. Superintendents exert all their expertise and skill to maintain the most important areas of the golf course. We at Baroness believe that perfection comes when all the greens of a course achieve a uniform condition. Quality on demand is Baroness Group's company policy. We manufacture high-quality products and provide high-quality customer service. Each Baroness walk-behind greens mower was developed with the highest cutting quality as a priority and was built carefully by craftsmen one at a time through a lengthy process. Because the machine was designed to produce a high cutting quality, its mowing is aggressive. This might lead to mowing that could possibly damage the greens. As a solution, Baroness offers a unique lineup of walk-behind greens mowers and tools to deal with various conditions for creating your ideal greens. And these tools are always improving. In 2016, Baroness is proud to introduce a renewed independent grass catcher arm, also known as the IGCA, which has been very popular in the U.S. market. This is the new standard for all Baroness walk-behind greens mowers. The original IGCA's design was innovative in that the increased load of the grass clippings was supported by the catcher arm's roller, thus not affecting the mower's cutting position. The new IGCA design adheres to the same principle and minimizes rough movements of the handle that could affect the mower's cutting position. Since the mower maintains a consistent cutting position even if the handle moves up and down, the cutting height doesn't change from start to end. This design ensures consistent mowing regardless of the operator's skill and level of familiarity with the machine. This is exactly the tool all superintendents need to create perfect greens conditions. The switching function between high and low efficiency reel rotation speed is a standard feature. It mechanically controls reel rotation at two different speeds, which allows cutting adjustments based on the green's conditions. We recommend the high clip setting when you want to cut aggressively. This results in a smoother green surface and ball rolling consistency. We recommend the low clip setting when you can see some damage to the turf, or during midsummer or winter when the grass's growth is slow. Low clip reduces stress on the turf. Many Baroness customers use low clip particularly for the peripheral area since it is most susceptible to damage. You can attach optional front groomers which rotate both forwards and backwards with one lever. By utilizing these groomers, you can mow the greens while simultaneously making the grass stand up. This produces a high putting quality. Using these groomers also removes thatch and prevents diseases and damage from pests. By attaching an optional dew roller, you can produce a high-quality cut without putting stress on greens that have morning dew. Since you can mow and remove the dew at the same time, you save on labor. You can choose drums with different surface textures based on the quality of greens you are looking for. There are 3 drum types. The ND drum creates a flat surface for golfers. The D drum, with stronger gripping power, works well on slippery grass. And the rug drum is excellent for climbing. The reel cutter and bed knife on Baroness walk-behind greens mowers are sharp, and the setting is aggressive. The standard specification for the maximum distance between the bed knife and reel cutter is about 10 millimeters. This distance allows the machine to firmly grab and cut a large quantity of grass. More aggressive mowing increases the chance of scalping. As a solution, in order to reduce any damage to the greens, you can choose from several bed knife options based upon your green's conditions and degree of undulation. This is called the extended bed knife, which has holes in different locations from the standard bed knife. Simply by switching bed knives, you can shorten the distance between the tips of the reel cutter and the bed knife, and thus prevent scalping from happening. For the front roller, you can choose between a grooved roller and a smooth roller. Your choice will depend on your desired type of cutting quality or how much stress on the green you need to reduce. You can attach optional support rollers on both sides of the mower. They reduce the degree of scalping that could happen when there are sideways undulations and the edge of the reel cutter touches the green. Along with the new IGCA, the redesigned handle offers more operational ease. If the IGCA is not used, you can choose from different handle options according to your preference. By attaching a light, you can still mow safely in